Non-parametric methods estimate risk using only past historical data. There are no distribution assumptions. We simply let the past losses tell us what the future risk could look like. Now let's look at the advantages. First, these methods are very simple to implement because we just sort historical losses and pick the worst ones, so even Excel is enough. Second, there are no distribution assumptions, which means they still work well when returns are skewed or fat-tailed, as real markets usually are. Third, they use actual observed data, so the risk numbers reflect real market behavior rather than theoretical formulas. Fourth, we don't need variance-covariance matrices or correlations, which avoids complex calculations and reduces estimation errors. And finally, we can easily give more weight to recent or volatile data, making the method flexible and adaptable to current market conditions. But there are some disadvantages too. These methods depend completely on historical data. So if the data is poor or limited, the risk estimates will also be poor. During volatile periods, they often overestimate risk, because many large losses in the sample push VAR and ES too high. During calm periods, they underestimate risk, since small historical losses make the market look safer than it really is. They also cannot predict unseen extreme events, meaning if a big crash never happened before, the model simply cannot capture it. They are slow to adjust to structural or regime changes, because they assume the past still represents the future. And finally, they need a large amount of data, since small samples lead to unstable and unreliable results. So overall, non-parametric methods are simple and realistic, but they blindly trust the past.